Are you feeling bored at home? Let's do something interesting. Why not create a timeline calendar? But how? Here we have a short video to show you how to create a timeline calendar. So, the things required to do this interesting activity is you will need an old calendar which is of no use for you, then a bunch of sketch pens, some craft papers, colorful craft papers, and few things to decorate your work. Now, take any color which you like and stick it on the first page of your calendar. I sticked it on the 2 pages of the calendars only, not for the rest are as it is. After that, take your favorite color craft paper and then tear it down into 8 pieces. Make sure that they are rectangular in their shapes. Take one piece and write down the year on it. For example, we are making a 1960s timeline. Then take the pieces and write down the things that happened in 1960s. Here I have written down that Goa, Diu and Daman were finally free from the Portuguese rule. Similarly, write down all the events that happened in 1960s. After that, stick that events on the calendar. And make sure that you decorate it well. Just like I used 2 flowers at the 2 corners of the calendar to make it look good. After that, stick down all the other events in a row. Once you are done, use arrows to indicate. Now we are ready with our 1960s timeline calendar. In 1960s, Goa, Diu and Daman were finally free from the Portuguese rule. The Sino-Indian War was finally culminated in the year 1962. After that, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Then, Lal Bahadur Shastri succeeded him and became the next PM. After that, the Indo-Pakistan War happened in 1965. And then, Indira Gandhi became the next PM of India. So this is how our 1960s timeline can